You're very welcome to this section of the course. This is really where it gets exciting because the outcome of this section, by the end of this section, what you are going to have is your gig live in the Fiverr marketplace. So that's what we're working towards. There is a little bit of work what we need to do to get to that stage, but I'm going to walk you step by step through it, how to set up your title, description, etc. Now, most of the work is already done, believe it or not, because if you remember in the last section, we've had a look at the marketplace. 75% of our gig is going to be made up about what we've already seen being successful in the marketplace. And then you'll remember we're going to add our own spin, the 25% that's going to separate us in the marketplace and really help us stand out are some ideas that we've thought of ourselves. So the work that we did in the last section is really coming together now in this section. It's really just about getting it down on paper and publishing it. So, a mantra that I always like to keep in mind is progress, not perfection. You can update these gigs anytime. They can evolve. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be published. So that's the outcome of the section. So follow through on it, even if you're not 100% sure. At the end of the day, it doesn't cost you anything. There's no risks. So it's all about taking action. So to get started, what you want to do is come into the My Sales page, and you can see create a gig here. This page. This is just going to bring me back. Then you're going to come to this page here, create a gig, and this is where we're really going to kick off the process. So do that, go to My Sales, create a gig, and let's get into this section of the course.